Okay, I think we have reached our high point for the day. Probably, well, I don't know. I think we have to go back up to like 9,000. Oh, okay, yeah. Well, you're not going to win this race because we're going downhill. See ya. Oh, you're still there. Tough guy. Anyway, more just incredible beauty here. These cows don't know how good they have it. I mean, they could be in Texas someplace. Wow. These Columbia Norte buses keep coming by. They're actually pretty good buses. They're not like dicks about passing people. And then there's the Brasilia bus. Well, pretty cool to have pine trees again. Look at that. Big stands of them. It's like, could be on the North Shore on steroids. What do you think, Diana? Pretty nice riding, huh?
Yes.